Today we talk about how can you create a poll on your Hang app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on photo profile down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, you click on it, or we will go back, or you just clicking this sign here above your photo profile, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to create a poll, you click in this sign here. So then here can you create your poll here in this list on your Hangout. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.